Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to mute keyboard sounds on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone. So dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy ay kailangan lang natin i-turn off yung ating keyboard sound. So kapag nag-type tayo dito, ayan, so maririnig nyo mga kaibigan na mayroon po siyang keyboard sounds. Alright, so kung paano ba natin ito i-mute or i-turn off? So, all you have to do is to open up your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone on settings. So, kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung ating phone settings. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sounds and vibrations. So, click mo lang yan. And then next step dito sa sounds and vibrations. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system sounds. So itap mo lang yan. And then dito sa system sounds and under dito sa sounds, makikita mo kaagad dito yung Samsung keyboard. So dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So i-toggle off lang natin. So click mo lang yan. Ayan. So once na toggle off na natin, automatic na mute na yung sound. So for example, so try natin. Ayan, so type lang tayo dito kung meron pa siyang sound. Ayan. So wala na siyang sounds guys. So na-turn off na siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to mute keyboard sounds on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.